Hello friends, these days everybody is talking about data driven decision making, and everybody says that we make decisions based on data, and all our decisions are smarter because those decisions are based on the data. But is anybody checking whether the data is accurate, whether the data is complete, whether the decisions that you are making based on the data it is governed, it has the right quality of it? That's why saying that we have an enterprise with data driven decision making, or saying that we are a smart data enterprise is not important. What is important is that having the right quality data is important. So maybe rather we must say that quality data driven decision making, because DDDM has been very popular. But is really data the sacred thing? Is the data that has been properly audited? Is the data that has been properly captured? That's why don't we say that quality data driven decision making? And that makes a huge difference, because just the word quality can add a lot more to your data, a lot more meaning to your data. Thus, we always recommend that you analyze the data, you assess the data, you check the quality of the data from the completeness perspective, from the referential perspective, from the provenance perspective. And all these things are well written in standards such as ISO 8000 standard. And then if you want to exchange the data with other systems, then it is ISO 29002 standard. And if you would like to have different formats for that, then ISO 22745 standard. There are various standards, and specifically for the data and the master data there are standards. ISO 80110 is a critical standard. You can understand that why that standard has been developed once you go through it, or once you implement and adapt that within your organization. So please start your journey of the data driven decision making by establishing the quality data, and quality data comes at a price. So first go through the profiling of it, of your data, assess it, do the audit of the data. And once you identify whatever the issues are there, correct it, govern it, put it in, and then ring fence that particular data so that it can be utilized across your enterprise, or it could be also exchanged with your partners. So establishing the right quality data within the enterprise should be the first priority for every data architect, for every chief data officer or chief digital officer or CFOs or the CEOs, because ultimately whatever the dashboards that would come out, whatever the infographics, demographics that would come out for decision making, those would not come out of the right data if you do not establish the quality data. CFOs, they make decisions, really they make a lot of decisions in a day. CEOs make a lot of decisions, but it all depends on the quality data that is at the core of the foundation of the enterprise data management. So if you would like to learn more about that, kindly reach out to us, then we'll be able to also help you with that. Otherwise, you can subscribe to Pilot Cloud, pilotcloud.com. To log on to that one, there are lots of tools that are available, hundreds of services that are available, wherein you can run and do the profiling and assess your data, and health assessment you can do of your data. Any master data you can do that, which is powered by a lot of AI and ML techniques, and which is powered by lot of augmented MDM approaches. Thank you very much.